how the plants grow, and every monster cares. And they know how they shade, and they feed them, and they keep them alive. Let's watch plants grow. Let's watch plants grow.
Everything here is alive. Everything here is alive. They sleep when it gets cold, and the leaves turn. They turn red and they turn gold. They need sunlight and water and earth and the air to keep them alive. That's how plants grow. That's how plants grow.
Look at the stars in the big black ink. Tell me what you feel and tell me what you think. Is it cold outside? Is it cold out?
This is what I live for. This is a wondrous chill. And yes, it can be lonely. But hey, do what you will. Nobody likes me, everyone's afraid of me. It's because I am weird. Nobody likes me, everyone's afraid of me. It's because I'm so cold. Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside?
They say that we are monsters, but I don't really care. Just elementary monsters. It's all up in the air.
And now that you have landed, together we will share a carefree life for monsters. Because here we walk on air.
You can see me in the sky, and yet you don't know how to fly. And I don't want to be here alone. Take a chance, just take a step and take a leap of faith with me. Can't you feel it? It's in the air.
Oceans deep, the current strong.
Right here I found where I belong.
It's all around. Can you feel the sound? I'm alright now, cool, calm, and clear like water. I'll make it somehow. I'll go with the flow like water. I'm alright now, cool, calm, and clear like water. I'll make it somehow. I'll go with the flow like water.
Just keep your feet on the ground and move your head all around. You put your hands in the air and move with the sound. Do the earthquake.
I am a mountain. You
are my stones. We come from the ashes of where I arose. And I can be mighty, and you can be strong. We build the foundation of where it all comes from. Do the earthquake